Welcome back, foodies. Today we're going to make Spanakopita grilled cheese. So let's get into it. Alright guys, we're going to start with adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a frying pan. Then we're going to chop up 1 sprig of green onion, or some people like to say, scallions. Alright, we're going to add that to our oil, and we're going to saute that off. Now let's get yourselves about 250 grams or a crap load of spinach and add it to the pan. We're going to cook that off until there's no moisture left in the pan. Because we don't want soggy grilled cheese sandwiches. Or grilled cheese spanakopita, I should say. While that's cooking off, let's chop ourselves a bunch of dill and a bunch of fresh mint. And if we're going to go by measurements, I'd say about half a cup of each. I mean, there's no rules. Adjust it to what you like more. If you like more mint, add more mint. If you don't like dill, don't add the dill. Just make what's good for you. This is just my version of a recipe you can make. Let's check on our spinach, see how that's dripping with water. We don't want that. Let's cook that off a bit more. Alright, this looks done. Let's add this to our bowl. There's a lot of steam, so make sure you don't burn yourself, guys. Now to our bowl, let's add our dill and our mint. Yeah, I got a tool for this. There we go, that's better. Now let's add 125 grams of cream cheese. Break it into little pieces, it'll make your life a lot easier when you mix it up. Now to our bowl, let's add 200 grams of feta cheese. Now let's go and give that a mix. And like always, I forget to add the black pepper. Let's add some freshly cracked black pepper. We won't need to add salt to this, there's a lot of feta cheese in here, so it's going to be salty enough. Now let's place this to the side and grab ourselves some fresh baked sourdough bread. Now let's butter both sides of the bread and add the first slice of bread to the pan face down. Go ahead and give a nice helping of your spinach mixture on top of the bread. And place your other slice right on top. And make sure your pan is set to medium heat. You don't want to cook this too fast, you want to cook it nice and slow. Now let's go ahead and give our sandwiches a little flip. Let's cook them on this side for a few more minutes and we're going to pop it into a 400-degree oven until the cheese is nice and melted, about 10 minutes. And here we are, 2 delicious looking grilled cheese spanakopita. Let's plate these up and give them a try. Here you go. Beautiful Spanakopita grilled cheese. All right, let's give this bad boy a try. Crunchy, like the sourdough's that little soury funk taste to it, along with the spinach and the feta. This is definitely something I can get on board with every week. Oh. Now that's a damn good sandwich. Until next time, foodie out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, or as others would say, smash the like button. If you want more exclusive content like behind the scenes, recipes, and much more, check out my Patreon. The link is in the description box below.